I wanna love you, I wanna hold you, baby. I want you in my arms, I want you to come and meet me in person. I wanna see you and I wanna hold you one day. I wanna love you like, then you met me, I know he found you on TikTok. Like how people have kids and they don't end up being, I got kid, baby, love, baby. I want you in my ass, I want you. Forgive me even though if I didn't do it, what's wrong? Stella, I wanna love you, I love you, baby. Girl, dot, let me so much, ooh, there's no regret. God has chosen you to be with me. Jesus is my Lord and my Savior. I love Stella, sorry for me, can you mad inside? Yesterday I didn't know how hard you were going through with your period. I love you even if you were bleeding. I love you even if you were hurt. I would still help you up and I would still take care of you. You don't need no sugar daddy. We first made you not talking 4 hours and another 2 hours yesterday. I try my best to keep posted with you. I wanna keep talking to you. I wanna love you and hold you. I know I'm not perfect, nobody is, but we can make a good you. I wanna love you, dot, unlike your night shining on me. You are my princess, dot, you are my Stella Bear, dot, I love you, baby.